Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on reversing videos in TikTok using the reverse feature. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by launching TikTok. Record a video or upload one from your gallery. Tap the tick to continue. Now select Effects. From the Effects page, select the time category and then choose Reverse. Once you click Reverse, it will start previewing the video backwards. Just click Save to continue. Your video has been reversed and is now ready to upload to TikTok. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.